Today, we will continue our study with the text that we call descriptive text. I'm sure that you have ever been studying about this text before, but in here, we will talk more complete about descriptive text. At the first one, describe. Based on this word, we know that we will explain about the description of the thing or people or animals that we can use of the object of our discussion. You may see here, we can see about the description itself. Yeah, the definition of the descriptive text here is the text which is talking about something that we can allowing us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel everything from a colorful ice cream cone to the joy of a playful puppy. Let's delve into how this description works. So, based on this information, we can make a conclusion about descriptive text is a text that is describe a subject. Yeah. Okay, we continue about the next one. Yeah, this is what we call about descriptive text itself. Yeah. Okay. After we talking about the definition of the descriptive text itself, we will talk about the generic structure of descriptive text. In the descriptive text, we have two parts of the structure. Yeah, the first one is this one, identification. Yeah, identification introduce like the physical of the subject. Yeah, the physical. For example, if we want to describe a cat, so we can say that this is my cat, Luna. Its name of the cat is Luna. Yeah, usually the identification in the descriptive text is in the first paragraph. Yeah, in the first paragraph, so we can identify the first paragraph as the identification, and then the second part is description itself. Usually the description we can see in the second, third, or fourth paragraph of the text. Yeah? But sometimes we not only have two paragraphs, but more than the paragraph itself. Yeah. And the next one, is language features of descriptive text. The language features of descriptive text sometimes has so many parts, but in here, I just want to emphasize that we usually use of adjective, and then adverb like this one, or present tense, for the verbs in the text. But the specifically from the descriptive text, usually we use sensory language like sight, sound, smell, taste, touch, etc. And the important thing from this one, we use a figurative language too. We use like similes, metaphor, And then this last, for the description of the object itself, we use sensory details words that appeal our sense, yeah, like see, hear, or feel. Okay, and then for the next, yeah, we will now we are going to talk about the exercise of descriptive text. For the first one, we will try to answer the social function of the descriptive text. Yeah, as we know that the social function is to describe, yeah, about the object. Yeah, the object itself can be a person, yeah, and then a thing or place, and so on. Okay, and then number one finish. Number two here, identify the generic structure of the descriptive text. If we will identify each paragraph here, we will see many paragraphs that the text itself, yeah, we know that this is the first paragraph, and then this one is the second one, and this one is the third one. Okay, for the first paragraph, we can identify as identification. So you just write the number of the paragraph, number one. Okay, and then for description, yeah, you just write number two, and the conclusion you can write number three. But you have to remember, not all, yeah, not all text, yeah, has the conclusion. Not all descriptive text, yeah, I mean, not all the descriptive text has a conclusion, yeah. So descriptive text, yeah. Okay, and then after yeah, not all descriptive text. Okay, this is just only optional. Yeah. Okay, the next is mention language features. Nah, language features here, we will try for the first one. Yeah, language features here. Number one is present tense. Yeah, present tense. We know that present tense use verb one or to be one. Yeah. Okay. In the first paragraph, find out verb one or to be one. As we know that to be one is here, is. Yeah. So you can write here is. And then, how about the tense, the verbs? Yeah, present tense here, don't have that one. But in the second paragraph, we have stands, yeah, for the example, as the verb paragraphs. And then, is there any word again? Yeah, is the same. This one, yeah, is the same. And then allows, yeah, okay, yeah.